active volcano in Iceland. A volcano erupted in Iceland. People from all over the country traveled to see the volcano eruption. The volcano is located close to Reykjavik, the capital of Iceland. Over 40,000 people have gone to the volcano to see the lava. Some people have even been playing volleyball next to the volcano. It is dangerous to get too close to the volcano when it erupts because the lava is over 1,000 degrees. People from Iceland like volcanoes. Iceland is famous for its hot springs, which have water that is heated by nearby volcanoes. People in Iceland also name their children after volcanoes. Keywords: volcano, erupt, capital, hot springs, lava.